Hello everyone, enjoy with me for this video. Looking for the best way to enjoy the absolute best of Australia? Plan your travels around its intriguing festivals and have a whale of a time with your friends and family. With an exuberant calendar of culture, festivals and community celebrations, Australia has an event happening around every corner. From Vivid Sydney and the New Year's Eve fireworks in Sydney to the Adelaide Fringe Festival and many more scattered across other parts of the country, the events justify the country's tryst with festivals. Check out some of the biggest festivals and celebrations in the country. Vivid Sydney. When winter arrives in Sydney, it means the onset of several vibrant festivals and more. Vivid Sydney is one of the biggest art festivals in the country that brings together some of the best artists, entertainers, storytellers and craftsmen across the globe. Every year, the exhibitions and installations can be found around various Vivid Sydney precincts such as Circular Quay, Sydney Harbour, Darling Harbour, Taronga Zoo and so on. On Sydney Harbour, one of the major light precincts for Vivid Sydney, you can witness the iconic harbour hosting a huge array of visual arts. This large-scale art scene can be enjoyed on board a Vivid dinner cruise that will take you around the glitzy harbour to see the festival from a unique perspective. Spot an ultra-modern purpose-built Aussie vessel with expansive outer decks and large panoramic windows so that you can enjoy the million-dollar views of the light displays, art installations, and an equally spectacular skyline without losing a bit of it. To add to that, a dinner cruise also offers a freshly prepared, healthy, wholesome, and delicious dinner with best value beverage packages to make your experience more special. Planning your travels around Vivid Sydney and boarding a 3-hour Vivid cruise in Sydney would be the best choice you can make. Gay and Lesbian Mardi Gras. The Sydney Gay and Lesbian Mardi Gras, which happens in February, is claimed to be one of the largest pride events in the world. Every year, LGBTQI groups flaunt a vibrant performance on Sydney's busy streets with dance, music and floats. It attracts large crowds of global punters who come together for one spectacular night and dress up in their best glitzy attire. It is a parade of pride, protest and love that has existed as a strong voice for the LGBTQI communities across the globe since the late 1970s. The Sydney Gay and Lesbian Mardi Gras, the oldest functional LGBTQI+ organization in Australia, has been an inevitable support system for the queer in tough times and in good. The vision of the festival is to connect with fellow queers in order to overcome fear and emerge from hard times stronger together. Adelaide Fringe Festival. The Fringe Festival in Adelaide is South Australia's biggest arts festival that happens between the months of February and March for a duration of 31 magical summer days and nights. It is a registered charity that provides support for the artist community in the city. The festival transforms the city with its many vibrant events including cabarets, theater, music, circus, comedy, visual arts, workshops and so on. The festival first came to be in 1960 and since then it has grown year on year. Even within a pandemic-hit world, the festival sold a whopping 632,667 tickets. The Fringe is an open-access festival, which means anyone who is interested in showcasing their art can register for an event and it is guaranteed that you'll be welcomed with open arms. Riverfire in Brisbane. The Sunsuper Riverfire Festival in Brisbane is a magnificent display of fireworks and more that happens over the month of September. It is one of the most electrifying festivals in the country that attract large crowds every year. As the city wakes from its winter slumber, The Brisbane Festival is a much-awaited occasion for the people to come together to be a part in the explosion of arts performances and experiences. The river and the famous city landmarks are the major locales where the festival creates and stages all kinds of art. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and wait next video. Take care.